your weekdays suck? Ours did too. We decided to start an internet business and it's changed our lives.
Here's what some of our business owners have to say.
What were you looking for in a digital business?
I was looking to be financially independent.
No age limit and no inventory.
I wanted to operate my business anywhere I traveled.
Worry-free golden years? More free time? To do more with your family.
How has it changed my life? I get to spend more time with family and friends.
I moved to Mexico.
Learn how to be updated with the digital world.
I have flexible time, my own time.
My self-confidence has really improved.
What kind of guidance and support did you receive?
We have 100% training and a community that works together.
It is the total package. Step-by-step video training, easy to understand, no techie.
24/7 up-to-date training, free guidance and support, one-on-one mentorship and coaching.
An excellent training program and a supportive community.
What is the next step for someone interested in starting a digital business?
It's easy peasy.
Click the Learn More button and register with your name and email.
And the information will be sent to you for a 90-minute complimentary webinar.
You should register with your name and email address, and we'll send you all the information that is needed for you to make your own decision.
It worked for me.